I think what makes the First Americans Museum of Oklahoma so unique is the fact that it tells the story of the 39 tribes that were relocated from around the country into the Oklahoma Territory, and many of the trials that they went through. It tells those stories from the perspective of the indigenous peoples, and it's really an amazing experience for anyone to see.
Everybody is welcome here, and everybody that's been involved with it has become a family. And when you come in these doors, even as a visitor, you are treated as family from the moment you're here. It really is a magical, magical place. We have this floating screen, we have this floating canvas that really sticks out. And so it really does help use this space as a presentation space. So when you have a instructor here, making a silver bracelet or teaching you to cook or speaking about poetry, we can have the cameras on, we can have the content up in these other little corners that kind of just help enhance it without still giving them a background. They're here and they have this beautiful background, but then we can enhance what they're doing up in the squares.
So once the rendering was put before us and the design concept was agreed upon by the ownership, it became Ford's task to find manufacturers who could help bring that rendering to life. We reached out to our friends at Absen. They told us that they could build the unique curved wall. Peerless, who have a long-standing relationship with Ford AV as well, and they were able to engineer a completely custom mounting solution that would attach the curved wall to the curved building structure.
The role that Absen played in this project is that we were the manufacturer for the Acclaim series. In conjunction with Peerless AV, the two of us joined forces to help Ford AV, and Peerless AV's curved solution with our Acclaim worked wonders.
The fact that it's a cantilevered mounting solution, meaning that it's hanging 4,200 pounds off the wall, provided a challenge in itself. And so by having a designed mounting solution that would compensate for that made it a much easier process for the Ford AV team to be able to successfully install.
Working with Absen and Peerless on this project was crucial to Ford AV being able to execute it as planned. They made on-the-fly adjustments. They both provided on-site support during the physical installation that allowed us to communicate effectively as project management to the general contractor who was building the complex curved wall.
How did partnering with Ford, Peerless, and Absen help us overcome all of these challenges? In all reality, it couldn't have been done without each and every single one of them. Absen made it affordable, but at the same time, they really do have superior LED walls. You see people just in awe when they come in here. The way that we have used it, the way the public has used it, the way that it is used as a theater of the round, this wall, the way it creates backdrops to all the things that happen in here, it's the keystone of this building. It really is an electric experience anytime there's something going on in it.